Okay, so as mentioned you are charged with not paying your council tax. The Local Government Finance Act 1992 states quite clearly that persons liable for council tax must pay.
Has the prosecution produced any proof that the Local Government Finance Act is in any way applicable to myself, or that I'm a person liable for council tax?
I'm happy that the Local Government Finance Act applies to the defendant.
So you have seen proof of this, sir? If so, may I inspect this proof?
I'm happy that the law states you are liable. I don't need to see any proof.
Sir, is this court a court of fact?
Yes.
Then let the record show, sir, that no facts have been offered by the prosecution in order to lawfully validate their statement. How can this proceed with no facts?
The prosecution has informed you that you are liable under the Local Government Finance Act 1992. The Act clearly states that the defendant is liable. This court is happy they have produced facts in this matter and we will proceed.
Sir, it's my understanding that a statute is a legislative rule of society given the force of law by the consent of the governed. I have a couple of documents here explaining how I've come to this understanding using two separate legal dictionaries. With this in mind, sir, has the council at any point produced proof that I have consented to the Local Government Finance Act 1992? The council/prosecution has been informed of this understanding, and in their silence, have agreed with it. I have informed them via a notice of default that they have agreed to this, sir, and have received no comment. For your information, I have a copy here for the court's inspection. With this in mind, sir, has the council at any point produced proof that I have consented to the Local Government Finance Act 1992?
Your consent is not required. This is the law.
Sir, is it true that the Local Government Finance Act 1992 is a statute?
Yes.
Then, sir, haven't we already established that a statute requires consent?
No, we haven't.
For the record, sir, I have communicated my understanding to the council many times, and given them adequate opportunity to object to it should they feel the need to. However, sir, they have not objected. They have been informed they are in default and again not objected. These are facts, sir. I would ask that this complaint be adjourned until such time as they provide me with an adequate definition of a statute and the factual evidence of how it applies to me.
No, as I've said, the court is happy the statute is enforceable.
With respect, what facts has the court seen of this, sir?
Look, this statute applies to you, and I've seen no facts. You are not liable. You have presented no facts that you are not liable.
Is it my job, sir, to present facts to prove my innocence? I understand that in this country the burden of proof lies upon the person making claim. Is that not true, sir?
Yes, it is true.
Then with respect I'll ask again, what evidence have they provided that the statute applies to me?
We're going round in circles here. I will say for the last time I'm happy this applies.
Would it be then fair to say, sir, the statutes are enforceable on all citizens?
Yes.
And according to Barron's Law Dictionary, a citizen is a member of the body politic with a duty of allegiance in return for protection. Is the court happy with this definition?
Seems fine to me.
Okay, then if my car is stolen from outside my house, then could I claim compensation from the police or government for failure to protect me?
That's an irrelevant question.
Sir, I'm asking for a relevant reason. I assure you, if my car is stolen from outside my house, then could I claim compensation from the police or government for failure to protect me?
No, you cannot.
Then I'm really confused, sir, because if there is no duty to protect, then it must follow there can be no allegiance, and therefore I cannot be a citizen. Isn't that logically true, sir?
I'm not getting into this with you. For the final time, I'm happy this applies.
I accept your offer that this statute applies to me, conditional upon you to providing a sworn statement, under penalties of perjury, that the council have provided proof that the statute applies to me. I have pre-written this statement for your convenience, and would like you to read it, understand it, and sign and date it.
Fine, pass it on up again then.